how to sync GoodNotes from iPad to Windows PC easily. So if you want to sync GoodNotes from iPad to Windows PC, then first you need to open up your GoodNotes application. Then you need to go with the settings inside your GoodNotes app. Ensure that you are signed in. After that, you'll be able to see the option of sync. You need to go and enable the sync. So simply sync all of your notes to your iCloud. It will take a moment, and once you have synced your notes from iPad to your iCloud, you need to head over to your Windows. Now go to the search bar and type in goodnotes.com, and once you are redirected to an interface like this, you're going to simply sign in with your GoodNotes account. So once you've signed in with your GoodNotes account, you will be able to see all of the notes will be retrieved in your Windows. So it's not instant, such as iCloud or Google Cloud, but whatever changes that you make on your Google Notes application on your iPad after a few seconds or a few minutes, you will be able to see all of that changes take place in Windows GoodNotes as well. So that is basically how you can sync GoodNotes from iPad to your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.